Hello everyone, welcome back. This is day 137 of my coding journey. So today I'll be creating a image carousel for my full stack e-commerce site. I created a carousel for the first time on day 115. So if you guys want to go check that out, you can. I got the GitHub repo open because it's no point of me, having to try to figure it out again like I did in that video. So in that carousel I use Sass and React. This carousel, obviously it's going to be React, but I'm using Tailwind, so it's going to be some changes. And I also want to change up a few things as well, so let's get started. Alright, so unfortunately I didn't have time to finish the image. Let me just make sure everything's recorded. I didn't have time to finish the images that I started yesterday. I created this in Photoshop. It doesn't look that great, but this is like something I'm gonna go with. So for now I'm gonna use this one image here and just probably grab some images off of Unsplash, and just so I can get the carousel functionality work, and then I'll just go ahead and just whenever I finish the graphics I'll just update the images. So I got the GitHub repo open for the first carousel that I made. This took me a while to get to actually understand and get it working, so no point in me having to go through all that struggle again. And yeah, so let's get started. Also added sign in with Facebook as well, but it's like a little bug that's happening, so let me show you guys real quick before I get started. I'm gonna go ahead and sign out, and it's gonna take me to a 404. Oh, it worked. Oh wait, let's see if it's working now. So sign in with Facebook. Oh, it's working now. Nice. So before it was taking me to a 404 not found page. So we're good. Any errors? So yeah, it says no off secret. I actually know how to fix that in my console. But I'll fix that later. That's actually pretty easy to fix now. So yeah, so I got signed in with Facebook now, so that's cool. So let's go ahead and get started on the carousel. I just came up here and started recording, not organized at all. So what I'm going to do, I got the header here. I'm just going to go ahead and change this to carousel because it's not going to be, let's change it to carousel.tsx. Carousel. I'm probably spelling carousel wrong. How do you spell carousel? That's how you spell carousel? I think I spelled it in the GitHub repo. Alright. Carousel. Okay, I'm spelling it right. Just making sure. Alright. So we got some errors. Let's see if it goes away. Alright, there we go. Alright, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and grab 2 more images off of Unsplash. And I do want to use this image because this is like probably going to be my main image for now. Just until I like make something else. Let's go to Unsplash. And let's grab just some images. Let's do the just caps. Baseball caps, I guess. Nah, let's do dad hats. Dad hats. I typed this in yesterday. It gave me pictures of dads. Oh man, that's funny. Maybe we could find one. I just need 2 actually. There's 2 images. Like some nice. Let's do baseball caps. Oh, I know what I can do. Let's type in suede caps. There's a big truck coming, so if you guys hear that, I do apologize. I don't know what they're doing out there. Alright. Suede cap. I'm just going to use any picture. I'm changing these anyway. So I'm just going to use this one for now. Use this one. Save. Actually, I'm not going to save it. I'm just going to go ahead and just copy the address. kind of like how I did in this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and just make like a images array and just map through the array. Did I do that? Did I map through it? What I did? See, I could have did this so much better. Oh no, I didn't have to map through it because okay, that makes sense now. Okay, I got it. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So we're gonna go ahead and do cons images and go ahead and do our first one. Gonna be that. All of these is gonna change. Actually, our first one is gonna be image. And then our second one that, and then third, go ahead and grab the third one. I'm gonna type in caps. Dude, why is a big truck outside of my house right now? Oh, we could have just typed in caps. These are better. All right, hold on. Landscape. Oh yeah, these are way better. Hold on, I might switch that one out. Do this one. Copy image. Paste that one. I don't know if it pastes. And got one more. Anyone. Come on, this one. That looks. I could actually work with this one though. In Photoshop. I think that look nice. Copy image address. And paste that one. Alright. So we got our 3 images. I know it looks weird, but it's not gonna look like this. I'm gonna make my own images. So it won't be like an array of images. It will actually be images like this where I'm using it like that. So alright, so let's see what I did here. So this is all different stuff because I'm using Next.js and the image tag. I'm using Tailwind. So it's gonna be kind of tough trying to switch everything over. I probably should go ahead and actually let's just go ahead and get the divs and everything, and then I'll do the styling, and then we'll do the functionality with the use state, which I remember all of that stuff, so that'll be easy. But just the styling and stuff I kind of don't remember. All right, so let's get started. So we got a main div, and in here we got our image container, and then we have our 2 icons that we gotta grab. Okay, that's pretty simple. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's get rid of this. Let's go div, and then in here we're gonna have a div with all our images. So, oh yeah, we don't gotta put class names because we're using Tailwind. So we got our images, and then we got our div with 2 divs in there for our icons. So div and div. All right, cool. This is gonna look weird once I save. Okay, perfect. All right, so we got our div. This is gonna be our images. This is gonna be our icons, and we need a left icon, a left arrow, and a right arrow. And I probably should go ahead and install. I think I already installed Material UI in this. But yeah, I use Material UI and these icons, the heart and the cart. I'm gonna go ahead and go over to Material UI. Material UI. This is a really nice site, by the way. You can grab a lot of stuff from here. All right, so I don't know if this is the updated site. Okay, there we go. I was wondering. Oh, because I got dark mode enabled on my computer. So, all All right, so we want a left arrow. Well, now it's back to daytime. I mean, back to MUI. I'm just gonna go to the main site. I think I had to do this last time. It was buggy when I went directly to the icons. I'll go to the main site. And I don't know why my computer's going slow. Alright, let's let that load. Alright, there we go. Alright, so left icon. Or not left icon, left arrow. Alright, I want a nice one here. The one that I use for the practice carousel that I made, it would look weird, but I want a nice one. So I'm gonna maybe something just like this, the chevron left. Yeah, I'm just gonna use something like that. I think that's look nice. I'm gonna import that. And we don't need this. Oh yeah, no, we do need that. That's the image for the carousel. So wait, what is this? Okay, hold on. This image, there we go. There. Let's go ahead and import that. This would be, we got chevron left. This would be this one. And then chevron left. And then we want right. We probably could just copy that and then change it to right. Pretty sure it'll be, should be the right one, right? Chev on right. All right. Maybe. Okay. All right. So we got our icons, and now let's do our images. And we just gotta grab them from the array. The only part is how am I gonna grab? Okay, I think I know how to do it. So I'm using Next.js image they're like a component. So for this I'm gonna do image, and then for the source I'm gonna grab images and first index, well 0 but really means the first. And alt is gonna be I'm gonna do first slide, and that. And copy, change this to 1 and change this to 2, change the alt to second and third. All right, so we should actually be able to see all this stuff unless I got an error or something. It's loading. Any errors? Looks like I got a few. What is this? Maybe import use ref. You are importing a component that needs use ref. It only works in client. Oh, okay. Wait, where am I? Okay, I do know I gotta make this a client component. I am about to use state and on clicks and stuff, so go ahead and do that. Use client, and this is why I have my GitHub pulled up, because at first I was gonna try to figure it out again, but I'm like, I already went through the figuring out, trying to make the first carousel, and there's no point in me trying to figure that out, plus try to figure out TypeScript errors, plus try to figure out Next.js. This video probably would have been like 2 hours long. So just so I can just have everything for the carousel already here, I do got to go over to the styling, take a look at that. But yeah, as you can see, so image source. Oh, okay, I see. So for this, we got to go to the config. I'm going to delete this because I'm but for now we got to add it here for the domains. So I guess whenever you pull images inside Next.js, you got to config it, go to the config file. So here I had to add Google for the Google images for when I log in. Here is Facebook for the Facebook images. And now I got to add Unsplash here. And I don't know why I copied all of that shit. Hold on. Okay. So we just got to copy from there, I believe. Unsplash. And then there. Images, unsplash.com. And let's see if this works. Now. I think I have to, actually, when you mess with the config, you got to npm run dev again. Alright. So while that loads up, let's see. Alright, so this is the part that's really gonna be weird. So for the image container, it was easy using Sass because it was a whole different style sheet. But now I have to, everything is in, I'm using Tailwind, so now I have to figure out how am I gonna add this, because this line is what makes it work. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting, actually. Very interesting. I think we can do it though. Alright, is it working? Okay, something's up. Still not working. Make sure everything's still recording. Alright, something is up. Images. Missing require. Oh! So maybe. Oh my god. Hold on. Image. Oh, okay. Oh man. That makes sense. Oh man. That's funny. So maybe not. Maybe it's. Maybe it wasn't. I didn't need that. Need to add that inside the thing. I just got to add a width property and a height property. That's why. So let's do a width of 1500 for now. Like I said, we're gonna have to figure all this out. Let's do a height of, I don't know, 700. And same thing, let's just copy all of this. Copy that. Copy that. Alright. Now we should be able to see it. I probably didn't need to add that config thing. Alright. Okay. There we go. We got our images. They should pop up here, right? There we go. Alright, so we got our 3 images. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and start styling it because I think we got everything we need there. So let's go ahead over to styles. Should be and components and slider. Alright, so here we go. So we got to figure out how we did. Oh, it's not even that much styles. Okay. Alright. So for the slider, which is this, we did a height of calc 100 VH minus 80 pixels. So I'm just going to do, I'm not going to do that. So that's why I say a lot of this is going to be different. So I'm not going to set a height for the slider. I don't think it needs a height because yeah, if it does, I'll change it. So let's do the width. The width, class name, width, W full. See what happens with that. Okay, nothing happens because the margin. And another thing is, I was thinking, does the site look good like this with these margin? I seen it done like if you go over to what's the site, Front End Mentor, like they all got margins. I normally don't do this on my sites, but I think I'm gonna keep it like nice margin on the right and left, like white space. So I think I'm gonna keep it like that. So I'm gonna do 100, and then for the image container, the width 300 VW, height 100. Okay. Wait. Oh. I'm getting messages. Class name. With 300 VW. With, let me see how that looks. 300 VW. Dude, why are they playing? Like, why is everybody so loud outside today? I don't get it. Okay, I'm gonna change this to see, I don't want it like that. Yeah, I don't want it like that. I guess it's still gonna be a lot of figuring out even with the GitHub repo pulled up. I don't want it like that. I want it to stay like this. I don't want it to be on the other side of the screen. So see what I did. So I do know we gotta make the image container a flex. Class name flex. Position relative. And relative. Alright. Okay. And for the image, let's give class name. Why is it not auto completing, man? Yeesh. Class name, object. Oh my god, this is annoying. Why is it not auto completing? Do I gotta put it here? That's wild. Class name. Let's do object cover, I believe. I think that's the one you're gonna put for tailwind. The object cover. Object fit. Okay, yep, object cover. I just think I gotta do the width the right way. So let's put these on all of these here. Alright, I think that actually fixed it. Okay, nice. So the height. So for the height, I think that's what's really messing up. Let's do a height of just gonna try this right quick. 700 pixels. See what happens. Dude, what is with all these cars? Like, this is wild. Oh my god. Sorry about all the cars, guys. It's like, I don't know what's going on. Alright. So, I knew I was gonna get stuck on the styling part. Okay, so width Maybe don't put with full. I'm gonna put with. Object fit cover height 100%. H full. See what happens. This one. Okay, that moved the thing back. Nice. H full, and then H full. Huh? I think because these images are bigger than the one that I made, so I think that's it. So to fix that, I think I have to switch these to let's do 700 pixels and see what happens with this one. So I wonder what size is this image here. Is it 500? Do 500. Oh. You know what? Oh wait. There's definitely 700 pixels. Maybe I gotta do a height. Oh, I did a H. Okay. Now height is H. Maybe it's something. Maybe that'll fix it. I just got all different sizes. So width, height full, width 1500. Let's get this height full as well. And then I might just go ahead and do a height full for this. Just to see, I don't. It'll look like nothing happened. So all my images are gonna be this size here. So what I might do is, see, but it shouldn't, I should be able to get them all that size though. I'm not about to sit here and beat around the bush. I want to get them all that size, and I wonder why they're not going. So height full. Maybe it's something with this. I think it's the image container. Let's do a height of let's see what happens if I do a height full on this. I'm gonna remove all these height full. Like it's just putting height full on everything. Alright, so nothing happens with that. Now let me see if I can put a actually 700 pixels on this. See what happens. There we go. Got it working. Nice. Would it be like this though? I think I gotta do a width full as well. Or maybe what we got on here? BW. Tailwind 100 VW. So is 100 VW the same as with full? Oh, okay, with screen. Okay, nice. Found a new thing. With screen. See what happens. Yeah, what we got on the image container here? We got 300 VW on this. And I think that's because my images are 300. Why do I got 300 VW? Oh, okay. Ah, I get it. I remember now. See, this is, oh man, I get it now. I get it. So, okay, I totally get it now. Okay, so we made this 300 VW because there's three images and they're 100 VW a piece. So it gives it, 100, 100, and 100. And that's the whole logic of this container, is because when we press the on click, it does a I guess transition 100 V8, so it'll move to the next one and it'll be 200 V8s and then a 300. So that's the whole logic of all of this. That makes sense now. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and change that. How do I do that? So, oh, maybe let's try one of these with max content. What is that? Fit content. Let's try these W fit. I just want to see what happens. Let's do a W fit. Nothing. W max. Nothing. And I don't think min works, right? Let's see. I don't think min will work. Let's see though. Worth a try. Trying out new stuff. Oh, wait. Go back to max. Just probably needed to let it load a little bit. Max. Okay. Alright, cool. How do you do an overflow? Yeah. Okay. It'll be like that. I think I'm gonna have to do an overflow hidden. So now you can't see it, but I wonder why it's going off like that. Fit and width. Alright, I'm just gonna do the arbitrary or arbitrary, whatever you call it, value. I'm gonna do a width of 300 VW. And change this to I think I'm going to have to change this to with screen, and that's 100 VH, I believe. Why does my image look like? Why is it cutting off? something to do. Maybe a height. Maybe I don't need a height goal on here. Remove this. Alright, so we got them all there, but I wonder why it's not. I wonder why it's not working the way I want it to work. So with, okay, maybe it's this. Maybe this, right? Because I got width full, which is only 100. I think I need width screen. And maybe not, maybe don't set a height for this. Do a width. Because we got a height for our image container. And now let's see if the overflow hidden thing works. If my image look normal. Oh, I think we got it. But it doesn't show the it doesn't show the gap. Not the gap, wait, it shows it there, but not. Alright, this is weird. Screen, okay. I think I get it. I think I got it. Image 300. Let's just do instead of screen, let's do full. See if that changes it. Nope. Maybe not add the overflow hidden, because I don't got overflow hidden on these ones, but maybe we'll see what happens. I totally forgot how to do this. This is wild. Flex, relative. Alright. Alright, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. Alright, so we got all our images there. Everything looks okay for now. I think once I add the functionality, I think that's when that's when it's gonna work. So let's try to do that. Let's try to keep all. I'm not gonna worry about the icons right now. We can just leave them there, and then we can just add on clicks to them for now. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go over to components and slider, and let's get it. Okay, so we're gonna need use state, obviously, and use effect if I want to make it. Dude, you guys gotta go watch that video. That was clutch. I was just about to end the video, and I remembered how to like create how to make stuff move by itself, and I like added this use effect here, which I'm just gonna copy over. Actually, I can just probably just copy all of this over instead of just typing it all out. Don't repeat yourself. That's what I was taught. So I'm gonna leave it like that and go ahead and import use state. Import use state and use effect from React. All right, so we got use state and use effect. And now let's do some logic here. So this arrow here, I have preview slide and then next slide. So let's go ahead and give this a on click preview slide. And I'm gonna go down to this and give this an on click. I don't know why my auto things aren't working. And this would be next slide. All right, cool. All right, so I think the clicks are done. But we still gotta, make them position absolute, put them on top of the slider. But this is the part that's gonna get me a little bit. So for the image, for this part, I think I'm gonna have to turn this into I forgot what it's called, where you do the backticks. Enter something. I'm gonna have to do backticks for this. Wait, why is it not working? Wait, what? Oh. Do it like that. The backticks for that. That shouldn't change anything. I should still have all my styles. Even me putting the backticks. Let's make sure everything still looks the same. Alright. So now I want to add this here. And what this does, I explained it in my other video. What this does is basically it multiplies the current slide by 100 VH, and that's why I made this entire container 300 VH. So when you click, it does. I suck at explaining things, but 100 times 2 is 200 VH, so it goes 200 VH, and then times 0, 100. So that's how it works. It's actually not as hard as I thought it was gonna be, but it took me a while to get. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this over. How am I gonna put this in there? Do I just put it in there like this? Or maybe I could just no, hold on. So this is the class name. I can just keep this like this. Let's put that, and then I can just put this style tag here. I can just do that. So that should work. Still. Alright, so let's see what we're working with. I can still see the images though. So we got it working, but I can still see the images. Hold on. Something that I'm missing. But yeah, but it's working though. And why do I have right and so that's left, and this should be right. Alright, so yeah, we got it working. It's just now we gotta get the styling right. Let's go back to styling. Make sure I'm not missing anything on here. Let's go back to the styling. Alright, so that's something that I'm missing. So with screen, that's 100 VH. So the image container, I got 300 VH. The height is 100%. Don't need that. Position relative. Object fit cover. So why is my thing show? Okay, I think I know why. Let's do overflow hidden again. See what happens. Oh, it's moving by itself. I forgot I added the use effect. Overflow hidden again. Maybe let's do a justified content. Oh no, let's do a damn, what is it? Is it justify center? Or maybe that's what it is. No? Or item center? So we got it working, but I just cannot figure out why is it going off the screen there, but not on the off the screen here. Like you see, it looks so good. Oh my god! Come on, we gotta get this working. All right, how long have I been recording? All right, almost gotta go soon, so I think I got time. I'm getting blown up by friends and stuff. All right, so we gotta get this working. Okay, so how in the hell am I gonna get this done? So what I'm thinking is, I think I probably gotta make this full screen, like full width, because for like the logic that I have is 300 VH, and I think that's what's wrong with it right now. Maybe if I add another div inside of this, holding. Hold on, wait. Let's see if that works. I'm just trying everything at this point. Let's do another div around this one, the image one, and yeah, that's obviously ain't gonna change anything. But I'm gonna give this a class name. I'm getting blown up. I don't got to go nowhere or nothing, but it's just people just blowing me up. All right, so I'm gonna give this a class name of let's do with 100%. Oh, with full. And let's put an overflow hidden on this one. See what happens. Nothing. Go with screen maybe. See man, I don't. This sucks. Let me just go back. I forget what I had. Okay, I just had overflow hidden on there. I want to take that off and remove this div. All right. Back to looking weird. And I'm gonna increase the seconds on that. Like, what seconds did I put? 5 seconds. I'm gonna do 10 seconds. Wait, can I do that? I'm just gonna do 9 seconds, I guess. All right, be a little bit longer. All right, there's something that I'm missing. All right, so I think it's this with screen. I really think it's this. Let's remove this. See what happens. And then I'm gonna do an overflow hidden on an image container. Okay, maybe not that one. Let's do it back on this one here. Go back on that one. Still doing it. Oh man, what is? Oh, maybe it's this. Let's do a width. Actually, let's not set a width. Let's see what happens with this. Wait. We got it. We got it. Okay, we gotta figure this out though. We got it working. The way I want it to. Okay. Leave it just like this. Alright, so where did I fuck up at? It's something else that I'm missing. So for this class, I'm gonna do a width green. Or width full. Oh, that's the alt. What the fuck? I'm like, hold on, wait. Let's do a height of full for this one. And a width of screen. Or maybe a width of full. See what happens. Oh, wait, not that. Width of full and okay, hold on. I think it's gotta be screen for it to work actually. For the whole logic to work, it gotta be screen. Because now we shouldn't be able to see it. Yeah, you see we don't see it. But it has to be screen. So let's do a width screen for all of them. I wonder why the image is like, I mean those images look okay, but I wonder why this one is, I think it's something to do with my image. Let me go see, how big is this image? Where is it? Somewhere here. Here it goes. Let's look at the details on it. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, get info. It has something to do with this image that I'm messing up on. So it's 1500 by 700. That is the height. That's the width and the height. So I wonder why. Maybe increase it a little bit. Maybe or something. Let's do 500. Or decrease it first. Let's see. Decrease this. I low-key like this size better anyway. Hold on. We might got just change the graphics. I like this size better than what it was, to be honest. That just that just did, that did it. And then I mean, I was gonna change the graphics anyway. So I mean, but for now, this is it. So I'm not gonna even spend time trying to figure out this image because this is the size that I want right there. That fits perfectly. That looks better. It looks better than what it was. I mean, 700 is a little too big. It's like it's taking up kind of the whole screen, and then but it's not. See, look, that's what it was. I don't look right. I think 500 is perfect. Yeah, I think that's perfect. Let's see how it looks like on smaller. So yeah, we're gonna obviously have to fix this on smaller screens as well. The other one I had was kind of responsive. Hold on, there must be something that I'm not getting right. Let me make sure how long I've been recording. There must be something that I'm not. So height 100, image, height full, okay. I think it's this. So since I'm setting the height, actually, hold on. Let's do a height full on this, which is 100%, right? And let's see what happens. Okay, and now let's change these to 500, which I want. 500. Okay. Okay, we did something wrong. Height. Let's remove the height full on that, maybe. See what happened. I'm just like messing it up. All right, I'm going back to what it was. Yep, 500 pixels. And then I'll just, it's gonna take some extra styling, I guess, but this is what I want right here. This size. So now let's do the buttons right quick, and then we'll go ahead and end this video. Recording for like an hour. But this is the carousel. These images are 100% gonna change. It's just practice images right now. But the only part that's really bugging me, I'm definitely going to change it, is it's not responsive. So it's going to take some extra code to make it responsive. But all right, so let's do this. So for the icons, we want a position absolute and flex. And gap to rim, gap 8, and I'm gonna do a font or text 2XL for now, and so top 85%. Dude, how did I do this? How am I gonna do this? This is funny. All right, so let's go to positioning on tailwind. I'm glad I had. At first, I was gonna be like, you know what? I'm gonna try to figure it out on camera again. But I'm so glad that I decided to have this open, because trying to figure this out, then trying to figure out how to like decipher it to tailwind is, whew, that would have been, this video would have been at least like 3 hours long. All right, so I do know like the top 0 blah blah, I know all of that stuff already, but do I just is there any time? Absolute. Question. I mean, I guess I'll just do like a so for the 85%. I mean, I'm trying to avoid using, what is it called, arbitrary or whatever like this, because I don't know, I just don't think that's the right way to do it, but I think I'm gonna have to do that in this. So the top 85%, so I can do a top, is my thing still relative? Okay, so top 85%. Where that gets us. Not even on top of the thing. What the hell? Oh. Image container. Got my image container relative and icons are absolute. I wonder why it's not moving on top of it now. Let's do top 0 and see what happens. Okay, that's weird. Must have did something wrong here. I did everything right. I wonder why it's not working. Oh wait, where'd it go? Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay. Let's do the 80. Well, it won't be 85%. We're gonna have to actually do our own numbers now I think about it. I'll do like a top 1/2. Yeah, it's 50%, right? Fishing. Tailwind. All I'm seeing is like bottom 0. Like, what do I put if I have numbers? All I keep seeing is 0. Okay, form not position. Okay, there we go. Okay, it was working. So top half works. So that's 50%. And we want a left 50%. So left 1/2. And it's gonna look weird, but there's a trick to get it perfectly centered. Oh, so my computer's just going slow. That's all it is. So look, now it's like, you see it looks like it's centered, but it's not. So to get that, we got to do this little transform 50% and this thing right here. So now I got to see how to do that in Tailwind. So transform, translate, Tailwind. All right, let's see. Okay. Okay, that's pretty easy. So we'll do it, just translate Y 1/2 and then translate X. So we'll do a translate X 1/2 and a Translate. Can I do like both? Is there a way to do both? But I gotta type it out, each one. Okay, so I think I do. I'm gonna do a translate on half. Oh, why? Wait, why? Okay, so this should... Why am I getting the error? Okay, so this should make it go perfectly in the middle now. Let's see. Once it loads, let's reload. Okay, maybe not. Huh, okay. That's weird. Maybe I gotta... Oh, it gotta be negative. That's why. How can I put negative on here? I just put... I think I might gotta do the arbitrary value. I don't even see the option to put negative on here. Yep. I try to avoid using it, but I guess I gotta use it. Negative 50%, and then negative 50%. Now it should be in the middle, hopefully. Let's see. Sorry about my computer. Oh, you're getting an error. Socket hold up. What is that? Okay, so that is in the middle. We got it perfectly in the middle. All right, so now we just gotta play around with the top. So I'm gonna do a top of 3/4 maybe, or 3/4. That's about 75%. Nope, that's a little bit too much. So we might have to do a value for this one as well. Let's do so that's 75 there. Let's do 85 like I did in my first carousel. Maybe that'll work. Nope. Let's do 90. Oh no. 80. I think 80 is gonna be it. 80 is gonna be it. I feel it. I feel it. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. 83. It's going so slow, man. All right, there we go. I think that looks perfect. But obviously I gotta change this to the right icon. I don't know why it's showing that, or... Oh, that's why. Okay. Right. Change that. Reload. Here's going so slow. Oh my god. Hopefully I'm not lagging on you guys' screen. Alright, so there we go. We got our carousel. Looks nice. Last thing, let's add a transition, and then obviously I'm gonna fix this up a lot to change the images. I do want to like clean up this code a little bit, and yeah, so what I'm gonna do is let's add a transition. So we gotta add a transition to the images. So let's look that up on Tailwind. Transition. Villain. So we'll do a transition all on the image container. So let's go and do that. So transition all. And then we need a ease. So I do an ease. Where is it? I did an ease. I'm just gonna do this. The ease in and out. Ease in and out. How do I add a? Is it the delay? Oh, transition duration. Okay. I'm gonna do 1 second. All right, let's see how that looks. Is it? Okay, maybe it didn't work. Let's do it ease in. Maybe that's why. Why do I gotta keep refreshing, man? My computer gotta like restart it or something. Position on 1 second, ease. Maybe I gotta do you know what they had? They do 150 milliseconds. What is that? Let's change this to 2 seconds. Then I have to go after this, see what happens. So yeah, my transition duration isn't working. That's why. Okay, I just gotta do duration. Gotcha. Oh man, you can see I got a lot to learn. Let's do 500, see what happens. Okay, it's working now. Let's see. There we go. Looks so much better. You can see the slide. Bam, bam. Perfect. I think this looks amazing. I want to change this back to 5 seconds because 9 seconds is a little bit too much. And now let's give it a quick look and see everything. I might increase the size of these, but this is the carousel. I'm gonna change the pictures as well. These aren't the pictures, just practice images. But yeah, we got it working. It's working perfectly. I might do like 7 seconds. I think 5 seconds is a little bit too much. And yeah, so that's it for me today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm taking a little break from projects, TypeScript, and I might learn some accessibility. So I'll make a video on it tomorrow if I do decide to do that, or I might work on my React travel agency project. Not sure yet. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.